Good morning. Oh my god, what a beautiful morning. Today I thought, it's misty, it's cold, it's frosty. I think last night was the coldest weather on record this year. So I thought, do stay home and keep warm or get out and have a look? And oh my god, am I glad I come out and had a look. So I was watching a video, I think it was Chris Self. I'll put a link up in the description. And anyway, he mentioned Kelly Tarn, I can't remember the name, but I'll put a link up as well. So I thought, well, come up here this morning and let's see what that's all about. So here we are. The tarn is just down, I think it's down there somewhere, but it was really, look at that, my god, we're like above the mist here. That's beautiful. So it was too misty down there to get any pictures, so I thought, well, I'll take a walk up. There's just a couple of little hills here, and I'm so glad I did, because there's Coniston Old Man, and oh, the sun's just coming through the clouds and just clipping the tops of it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, rather than wait around, I thought this mist could be a while before it clears, so I'm going to get up here and get some pickies. So I love these trees. Where are we? There we go. Reminds me of a cracking picture by Ansel Adams that I saw many years ago. So I've tried to use that in some of my compositions with the mountains in the background. And then if it's still there, oh no, it's gone. And I tell you, this mist is so changeable, so quick. But there was another peak just over there, just poking through the top of the mist. Absolutely beautiful. But it looks like the mist is moving in to me now. There's the sun breaking through. You can just about see the sun there. Absolutely beautiful. So I will put some pictures up. I'll give you an idea. Oh, we've got some little. Where we go? There we go. Got some local herdwick there coming for a nosy. Coming to see what's going on. And this mist's getting a bit thick. So anyway, I'll put up my settings in the pictures. I'll put up what I've been doing. And if you like my video, great. Let me know. Put a comment up below. Give me a thumbs up. I'll be very much appreciated. And give me a share. And yeah, any comments you've got, anything you want to know, any questions, yeah, fire away, guys. I'm happy to help, and I hope you get inspired. Oh, tell you what, I'm just so inspired. I could sit here all day. Oh my god. And you know what? It's so quiet. There are another couple of photographers down by the town, so I'm going to have a mooch down there and have a chat to them, see what they're up to. See how they're doing. But yeah, right, I'm going to get that sun coming through the mist with that tree. Let's see if we can do it now. Let's see if we can just capture that while it's there. Yeah, because this tree, just beautiful. If I can get that, let's see if we can get in. So we can get that tree leading into the shot. How are we doing there? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We might just capture that. I'm not sure. Right, that's what we've got. You see that? There we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to focus in on that. I know it's not level, but I want to capture it first. Yeah, I'm taking it on brackets. Oh, we've got that. So I'm just going to go for a tighter crop. Get that focused in on there. I'm going to really push that exposure up. Oh, look at that. I like that. See, you've got to just chance it, just go for it. I hope you're seeing that all right. I want to try a different composition on it as well with the sun. I want to see if it works on this side. Do you know what? I need to lift this tripod up a little bit because the sun, it's just not quite high enough. Yeah, so when you go into a location, right, how was that looking? I know it's not straight, but as time is kind of the essence. Can you see that there? I hope you can. Yeah, so what I'm doing with this Panasonic Z82, just touch and that'll focus now. Look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. He's seeing it alright. So it's awkward this doing it with two hands, so but I like that. We've got the mist coming through and these trees are just absolutely, you know, I'm going to go wide on that. I'm going to go really wide on it, so we're up to about 20 mil now. I'm going to just keep focusing on that tree because I'm on f8 at 1/60th later. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so just go for it, you know, just when you see something, just go for it. Just oh, wow. Yeah. Right, well this sun's really, oh, there's that mountain. Let me see it peeking. Where are we at? Is that it? Over there? Yeah, it's just starting to peek through again. So I'm going to try and get this tree, that sun, that mountain. So I'm going to put this camera down because I'm, well, I'm a bloke and we're not good at multitasking. Oh, wow, look at that sun now. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going because I ain't going to miss this. I'll put the video up. Thumbs up, like, share, comments, and enjoy, guys, because I'm enjoying it. See you later. Okay, so the fog's lifted now, so what we've done, we've finally got to Kelly Hall Tarn, and the light, we've got a beautiful tree there, nice light up on Coniston Old Man over there, so it's looking absolutely beautiful. So what I've done is I've took a panoramic, well I've took quite a few shots actually, so I wanted to use this rock just leading into the picture, and we've got this bit of a stream coming in there, looks really good. So I've just panned around with a couple of photographers, just had a good chat up there. So I've panned around, I've bracketed the exposure, one bracket each way, one stop each way. I've took about 8 shots panning across all the way around, so I'll get all them stitched together and see how it looks. But it's really nice, I don't know if you can see it on this video, but we've just got mist in the valley behind the tree there, more sunlight on there, so it just looks absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I think until we get a bit more sun coming through, because the sun's like up there at the minute, just behind them photographers. That might make an interesting shot. Silhouette with that chap up there. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so we'll get them stitched together and see how it looks. But what a beautiful spot. And say, I'll put the link on. You can, dead easy place to find, just by the Land Rover garage. Park up there, and yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at the clouds there. I've got a few shots of that. The clouds just sitting on top of the Coniston Old Man there. But absolutely beautiful. So, enjoy this video, guys. Thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share. Let me know what you think in the comments. Cheers now.